years. And not everyone has a warm place to stay right now. In fact, many are on the streets, anywhere they could stay warm.
But a new law banning public camping signed by the governor is being reviewed and enacted by Florida counties. WESH 2's Gail Pascal Brown is live outside of the Orange County Commissioner's building where the camping law was discussed today. Gail.
Absolutely. And you know, words like compassion and criminalizing homelessness were uttered several times as Orange County commissioners discussed this public camping law. And those who were against it ask on a cold night like tonight, where are those without a home gonna go?
I cannot vote for something that complies with what I look at is really cruel and unusual punishment when people have nowhere else to go.
Orange County Commissioner Kelly Simrad was passionate as she spoke out against House Bill 1365, the camping ban Governor Ron DeSantis signed into law in March. The law aims to crack down on homelessness by holding municipalities responsible for people sleeping overnight, and in this case, on Orange County-owned property. In fact, the law gives residents the power to sue over public camping with or without a tent.
And if we don't cure it, then the county's responsible for attorneys, or could be responsible for court costs and attorneys' fees.
Legal counsel advised enacting the law would reduce the county's risk of litigation. Orange County would have 5 days to cure any violation, which could include offering alternative lodging, like a shelter, for example.
We are a compassionate community. You've heard that law enforcement's intent here is not to criminalize homelessness. We have stressed that.
Matthew Graholski used to be homeless.
Please ensure that this ordinance is not abused by any agency, group, or person.
The head of the Christian Service Center for the Homeless in downtown Orlando asked that the county not vote and challenge the law.
I feel like it's a fight worth fighting for the people that are going to be sleeping out in the cold tonight and the children that are going to be sleeping out in the cold and the heat the rest of this year.
This is nothing more than adding a tool to the tool belt of law enforcement. It does not say that law enforcement shall make arrests for persons who are violating this.
The board voted.
All in favor, let it be known by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no.
No. No.
All right, motion passes and it is 4-2.
Now, violating the public camping law is punishable by a fine of up to $500, jail time of up to 60 days, or both. Covering Orange County live in Orlando, I'm Gail Pascal Brown, WESH 2 News.